What's up guys, looking to add some extra oomph to your music listening experience? A great way to do that is to upgrade to a Bluetooth speaker. But instead of buying one, why not try your hands at making your own? With a little bit of time and effort, you can easily make a Bluetooth speaker that will sound great and save you some money in the process. Plus, it will be a fun project to work on. As always, I share the parts and the schematics with you that you will find in the description box. To get started, you will need to gather some supplies. For the body of the speaker, you can buy it in the local market or online. And for the electronics, you will need a Bluetooth module, a small amplifier to amplify the sound. Generally, the rule of thumb is to select the amplifier that provides 1.5 to 2 times the continuous power rating of your speaker. I have used a PAM8610 amplifier module for my speaker. It has an output of 15 watts of power, but it is not recommended to use this for the 25 watt RMS speaker. Don't worry, this won't cause any damage to it as I am gonna use it within safe limits. For the power source, we are using a 12 volt power adapter to step down the voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt. For the Bluetooth module, we need a buck converter. And to eliminate the ground loop/noise, we will use an isolated DC to DC converter, some wires, DC jack and a speaker. Once you have all of your materials, it's time to build your Bluetooth speaker together. You will need to drill hole in the speaker box and place a DC jack. The problem I face after drilling a hole in the wooden box is that the DC jack does not fit properly. So we need to glue the outer area of the connector and then place it in a hole in a way that it fits properly. Then connect the amplifier to the Bluetooth module and then wire everything up to the speakers. Use a glue gun to glue the back side of the component and place the component safely in the speaker box. Use a self-drive screw for fitting the speaker and a cover. After finishing the project, now let's test the speaker.
Power on.
Oh wow! This speaker is seriously the best thing ever. The sound quality is incredible and it's so easy to use. Alright guys, if you have any queries, feel free to ask me in the comment box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you love it and see you guys next time.